This is Bunjo Show. This is not your show. I traded the 905 for G000. This is Bunjo Show.
This is Bunjo and
Mickey.
we're going to eat at the Wild West restaurant.
Yes.
It's supposed to be a steakhouse. It's in Trill Gear by the Hostel
Good
Marina. Good. Well, we haven't ate there yet, so.
I know, but everybody said that this is a good meat.
Hey.
So we will try it.
And it's not too expensive for good meat, I guess. Because a lot of places, the meat has been poor. And it's been a little too expensive for poor, slimy meat. Rough meat.
Okay.
I don't know what kind of meat I've
Let's
been
do
eating.
it, baby.
Let's go. Woo. Thinking woman. Little cactus Christmas tree over there at the old Wild West in Trill Gear. There's a boy. Why are you drinking the water?
Because I'm pretty.
And not. This is coming out before. I'm having a Carlsberg, a Danish beer, and you're having this.
Water.
A Romer. How do you say this? You can probably say that better than me.
Romerkele.
It's not sparkling, but it'll do.
Okay, this is the grill. There are the steaks. Ooh. And it looks nice, huh? A burger, some chivapi. I like it. And it's decorating for Christmas. White West. Everybody.
We're at the Wild West.
Nope.
Wild West. Not a bad washroom. This is the first time eating here in Trill Gear. It's right by Hostel Marina, the old city of Stalingrad, Trill Gear. I'm just gonna take this pee and I'll get back to you. Sweet, they got a little poker table back here. And this is what the inside of it looks like. There it is. What is this burger called again?
I don't know.
I forget what this burger's called, but you got a nice little, those are homemade fries, not frozen fries, so we'll see how they go down. What do you think? Taste it.
Looks good, huh?
Are the fries decent?
This is the half, huh?
What?
What's this?
That's an onion ring.
Onion?
Yeah. You never had onion ring? No?
It's nice, huh?
Mm-hmm. Pull it.
No, I can't do it.
No?
Nope.
You have to pull it. There you go. She's scared to cut them. Look at that oozing sauce. Expressions oozing sauce. We got some sort of chipotle and some umac, which is sour cream garlic mixture, probably.
Look this. For the camera, huh?
Oh, look at that beauty inside that burger. Try it.
Heart is for you.
Yeah, try it. Oh, here's this.
Would like to share as well, Laura?
Yeah.
Yes.
Then, whoop.
There you go.
You make it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And we got a nice tomahawk steak with some sauerkraut and I guess this is some garlic sauce mixture. What's this thing called again? Artichoke? I don't know. You don't know that? It's probably artichoke. How is it? Mmm. She says, mmm. Is it a good burger? Better than street food? Yeah?
Sure.
Yeah? It's a quality one. Let me dig into. Look at this thing. Damn sure is messy though. This is not a first date burger. You'll get shit all over your face. It tastes good though. It tastes like a real American Canadian, not a European style burger. That's for sure. Too much sour cream though, huh? It's good?
Yeah.
Yeah, this definitely reminds me of a burger back in town in Hamilton.
Oh, baby, I love it.
It's a good burger, huh? It's the best burger I had here for sure. Messiest too. If you meet a girl in Trill Gear, don't bring her here on your first date and get a burger. It's too messy. Yeah.
Do you think it's too raw for me?
No. Try this piece here.
This one, look.
Yeah, that's good. I don't think this is steak. I think it's roast beef. How is it? Chewy? Well, it's not steak though, huh?
It's okay.
Yeah? It's not the best. There it is. It won't work probably, but let's try this damn steak. I don't think it's much of a steak. I don't know. It's more like a roast beef than a steak, you know what I mean? They make it with potatoes and for a family. The fries are good though, huh? The burger's the best.
Yes, I'm very glad that we have it.
But this is good beef, I think. Look at that monster beef. I think it's pretty good. How are the potatoes? You don't like this?
Onions?
No, this is cabbage. Some cabbage is nice. Mm. This is good cabbage. Tastes good. Try it a little bit. Cabbage, it smells like fart, but it tastes good. Cabbage smells like fart, but it doesn't taste like ass. I'll tell you that. You don't like it? I think cabbage is good. Let's kill this meal and we'll get back. Thisisbunjo. Wow, that's the best part.
Okay,
You want to try?
eat it.
Try it. You gotta do it to see it. That's how you know you have a good woman. She'll suck the bone, the meat right off your bone. Yeah, we're just coming back from the Wild Wild West restaurant.
Wild West.
Yeah, Wild West, not Wild Wild. What did you think about it?
Oh, I like it. It's a nice place, nice music. The people also is nice. The food, the hamburger is the best one.
It's a little sloppy, so if you're looking to impress somebody, you'll get some white sauce drooling down your face, so it's not too pretty. But I mean, I'm sure you can get one with less toppings than we got. But it was a beautiful burger, and the homemade fries, the French fries were good.
Yes.
And the steak was more like a roast beef, you know, that you cook with like potatoes and stuff in a big pan, or big pot in the oven. You know what I mean? You have that in Argentina?
Yes.
Yes, of course. But it was good steak. It was just a little bit too rare maybe for her.
Yes.
But I thought it was good. I don't know. I'm gonna stop because it's shaking.
Okay.
And the beer was beer. But everything overall was good. What would you give it out of 5? A 1, 3, 4, 5?
3.5.
3.5.
Is that?
She's a harsh critic. Damn.
Yes.
But she loved the burger, but she only gives it a 3.5.
Yes.
Damn.
The sticky wasn't good.
Yeah, steak wasn't the best, but steak here,